I do my makeup. So I am going to show you guys my new little contoured eye. This is what I do when I am on the road and I just want really quick makeup and I want to look defined but not fully done up. So I put on a little bit of foundation. I need to powder a little bit, so I'm using our translucent body powder. When I do my makeup myself, I just do super quick, and we have our cute little new contoured eyes, and they come in 3 different tones: light, medium, and a dark. I'm going to use the medium, and we have a new dual-ended brush. One is really small that goes under the eye for shading, and the perfect brush for shading on your upper lid. So there's 2 tones, and I always start with the lighter one, and I just lightly contour the eye. I just like a little bit of depth if I'm doing like a quick no makeup look. Just blend it out. I'll use the darker color. Then I'll take the smaller end of the brush, kind of put it into the dark. Shade underneath. It's all about like shading and shaping the face. It's just what gives you like, I don't know, it gives you this like depth where it just looks like you just have this contoured eye, but nothing too serious. Just overline my lip a little bit on the wall. And put a lip gloss. So we have our new Beauty, just like a clear gloss. So juicy. And honestly, that's all I do.